The truth of Riedel wine glasses. Riedel glasses are a staple in the wine glass industry and have recently changed their portfolio. They now offer 4 different series of non-crystal, lead crystal, champagne flutes, and stemware for every occasion. It's time to find out their story and the truth of Riedel wine glasses. The story of Riedel wine glasses is the perfect example of how a family business can start with one person and grow into something great through many generations. Let us get to know the people behind the success of Riedel wine glasses. Johann Christoph. Johann Christoph's passion for glass production started his legacy in 1763, where he focused on items all over Europe. His son Walter took it to new heights when he got involved from 1895 to 1974 by expanding their reach internationally and pioneering advances within the industry that are still relevant today. Claus Josef. The introduction of the 9th generation Riedel, Claus Josef, 1925 to 2004, eventually led to their success. In a break from tradition, he decided that plain and thin stem glasses would be more efficient in capturing all flavors while eliminating tannins found in red wine. The sommeliers became his trademark design for varietal-specific glasses, the first line ever made by this company with such specialization. Maximillian Josef. Maximillian Josef has been immersed in the world of Riedel from an early age, and it shows. Even before he ascended to leadership as CEO and president in 2013, Max worked on a Stemless O glassware series that revolutionized how we look at wine glasses. In fact, during his years before becoming current leader of the company with prestigious awards including those garnered by the company or O Series, which had amassed since 2005 to 2011, when Max came up with such a brilliant idea for this revolutionary product line. Maximillian Josef is not only 11th generation Riedel but also exhibits incredible creativity due to being so involved with designing their products throughout his life. Is Riedel crystal or glass? Depending on the glass you are asking for, but that's both yes and no. Riedel glassware is world-renowned for its superior quality and craftsmanship. The more costly series of Riedel, such as the Sommelier, Vitus, Venom, Venom Extreme, and Venom XL, and the Wine series, are all made from crystal while also being handcrafted or machine-blown in their home countries of Austria or Germany, respectively. Riedel produces glassware that is not lead-based, opting instead for borosilicate. They are transparent about the types of glasses they sell to ensure their customers know what they're getting when ordering from them, conducting research and testing procedures on all new products before launching them onto the market. Types of non-crystal wine glasses from Riedel. Stemless O Series. This is excellent for those who enjoy drinking their favorite glass of red or white in an informal setting. Long-stemmed restaurant Degustazione. It is explicitly designed with restaurants in mind by showcasing wines elegantly without them ever touching your hands. These are the Restaurant Riedel, Restaurant XL, Restaurant O, and Restaurant Swirl. The non-crystal wine glasses were all designed using the same craftsmanship and genius as the crystal wine glasses. They were made sturdy to withstand the busy and demanding restaurant environment. Unfortunately, the Restaurant series is available only for food service and restaurant clients. On the other hand, the O series can be enjoyed at home as it is available in individual sets. Depending on the series and the price range, Riedel glasses make both crystal and non-crystal wine glasses. It is worthy to note, though, that the crystal glasses are not lead crystal. Instead, they use borosilicate that is non-toxic and is heat-resistant. It also doesn't crack easily, making it a sturdy everyday wine glass. Did you like this video? Then, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Advanced Mixology for more information, stories, tips, and recipes.